We are here at the Marriott Marquis in New York City. We are here at the Marriott Marquis in New York City. Now, normally, I don't know why I'm here, but you guys will see in a minute, because something really special is happening to these elevators. That's right. They are being modernized by Schindler Port. I'm gonna go all the way to the top. To N. Car N.
Yeah, that would be.
Alright, in we go.
Yeah, that's what I think for her, because otherwise I don't think we would have had a clue. Yeah, I don't have any signals this way.
Here we go.
Text message at 20 down, so hopefully.
Right. Oh, great. He's going to 8. I mean, you can try.
Is this going up?
Yeah.
Of course, we can squeeze the two of us in here at least. They don't have room with other bags and stuff, but we can squeeze in.
It does say a new elevator system is coming, so maybe they.
Yeah, they're being modernized by Schindler Port.
8.
8, yep.
8.
8.
8. Here we go. 8.
Okay, you slide 8. Yeah, in the middle. Go ahead.
Oh.
30, 35, 36, 37, 44.
This is a.
Get out.
It's gonna be too busy. What? Yeah, I felt it bouncing. Alright, so how are we gonna get upstairs? Right here. Okay. Car B. Oh look, this is new I think. I'm not sure if this is already here. I'm not sure. I'll show this one out for you guys. Cool. It's a newer Miconic 10. It's D. We're waiting for either B or C. B. We'll take this one up. This one's not as empty. Alright, we're gonna get a good view. Here we go.
14多少年？
大概呢，这一到5才停啊。
多点呢？这些哦。
我没有啊，到4到5哎，大概5才停有的。
不怕吗？大概？
哇，上到
About 30.
这样子。
These things are busy.
Low.
Floor 33.
Oh my god, it's got a new voice.
得上来。
They got new voices. Doors are closing.
Floor 42. Floor 45.
They got new voices. Wow, look at this. I'm really sad to see these things go though. Is it? Oh, no, I think it's 1. 8? Car B. I'm glad I was able to get these original though. Alright, here we go. Yeah, it's good 8. That's it. It's really sad to see these things go, but I think they did a very nice job modernizing these. Well, that's it.